Explore the fascinating world of lab-grown meat, where companies like Memphis Meats and Mosa Meat are revolutionizing the food industry with cultured meat products. Lab-grown meat, also known as clean meat, is made by culturing animal cells in a controlled environment. Companies like Memphis Meats and Mosa Meat are leading the charge in developing commercial lab-grown meat products. Lab-grown meat uses up to 90% less land, water, and energy compared to traditional animal agriculture. Memphis Meats has successfully grown meat from animal cells, including beef, chicken, and duck. Lab-grown meat has the potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 75% compared to traditional farming. The first lab-grown meat product, a burger, was introduced in 2013 and cost around $330,000 to. The ancient Babylonians predicted solar eclipses using the Saros cycle, an 18-year pattern. The ancient Babylonians were the first to predict solar eclipses around 700 BCE. They discovered the Saros cycle, an 18-year pattern repeating lunar and solar eclipses. The Saros cycle is based on the Moon's orbit and Earth's rotation synchronization. By tracking the Saros cycle, Babylonians predicted eclipses with surprising accuracy. Their eclipse predictions helped establish Babylonian astronomy as a leading field. The Saros cycle remains used today in modern astronomy for eclipse predictions. Explore how ultra-processed foods like frozen pizzas, which can cost as little as $1.50 per serving, are engineered to be cheap, convenient, and irresistible, but at what cost to our health? Ultra-processed foods like frozen pizzas are engineered to be irresistible, often costing just $1.50 per serving. These foods contain a combination of salt, sugar, and fat that activates the brain's reward centers. The cheapest ingredients used are often refined starches, added sugars, and low-cost oils high in omega-6 seconds. Ultra-processed foods make up over 50% of the average American's daily caloric intake, contributing to health issues. Consuming high amounts of ultra-processed foods increases the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Take a tour of the most expensive soccer stadiums ever built, including SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles, which cost a massive $5.5 billion to construct. The most expensive soccer stadium ever built is SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles, California. SoFi Stadium cost a staggering $5.5 billion to construct, making it a record breaker. The stadium's translucent roof is made of 2.5 acres of ETFE material, a first in the industry. SoFi Stadium has a seating capacity of 70,000, expandable to 100,000 for major events. The stadium's construction required over 6,000 workers and took nearly 4 years to complete. SoFi Stadium is not only a sports venue, but also a 24/7 entertainment destination with a nightclub and restaurants. Discover evidence-based strategies for managing stress while waiting in line, from deep breathing exercises to cognitive reappraisal, and learn how these techniques can improve your mental well-being. On average, Americans spend around 37 billion hours per year waiting in line, causing significant stress and anxiety. Deep breathing exercises can reduce stress and anxiety by up to 40% when practiced while waiting in line. Cognitive reappraisal, a technique that involves reframing negative thoughts, can reduce anger and frustration in queue situations. Research shows that people who use mindfulness techniques while waiting in line experience a 25% decrease in stress levels. The UU rages phenomenon is a real psychological response, triggered by feelings of powerlessness and frustration. Get 5 essential tips on how to fix a broken zipper on your luggage, from using a pencil to replacing the zipper entirely to ensure a smooth travel experience. A broken zipper on your luggage can ruin your travel plans instantly. Rubbing a pencil on a stuck zipper can help loosen it temporarily. A safety pin can be used as a makeshift zipper pull in an emergency. Replacing a zipper entirely requires basic sewing skills and a matching zipper. Regularly cleaning your luggage zippers can prevent them from getting stuck. Packing a zipper repair kit can save you from travel, stress, and expenses. Explore the infamous curse that allegedly haunted the Boston Red Sox for 86 years, and how it was finally broken when they won the World Series in 2004. The curse of the Bambino originated from a 1,920 trade that sent Babe Ruth to the Yankees. Babe Ruth was sold to the Yankees for $100,000, a decision Red Sox owner Harry Frazee later regretted. The curse allegedly punished the Red Sox for trading away Ruth, denying them World Series titles. For 86 years, the Red Sox suffered in the curse, losing in critical playoff games and championships. In 2004, the Red Sox made history by coming back from a 3-0 deficit in the ALCS against Yankees. The Red Sox went on to win the 2004 World Series, defeating the St. Louis Cardinals in 4 games. Discover how the myth that blue is calming originated and why it's not entirely true, featuring surprising examples from art therapy and marketing campaigns. The myth that blue is calming originated from ancient cultures associating blue with trust and loyalty. In reality, color preferences are highly subjective and vary greatly across cultures and individuals. Art therapy studies show that blue can actually evoke feelings of sadness and melancholy in some people. Marketing campaigns often use blue to convey a sense of professionalism and authority, rather than calmness. The calming effect of blue is often attributed to its association with nature, but this link is largely anecdotal. In many Asian cultures, white is considered the calming color, not blue, highlighting the cultural. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of gravitational waves, from their discovery to the latest findings. Gravity warps spacetime, causing massive objects to orbit and collide in a cosmic dance. The detection of gravitational waves in 2015 confirmed a key prediction made by Albert Einstein a century ago. Gravitational waves can travel billions of light years, carrying secrets of the universe's most violent events. The merger of 2 neutron stars in 2017 produced a burst of gravitational waves and gamma rays, revealing new insights into cosmic collisions. Gravitational waves have allowed scientists to study black holes in unprecedented detail, including their spin and mass. The observation of gravitational waves has opened a new window into the universe, enabling us to study cosmic